sick. That's cool. Yes. I had one of those on the road and God knows how long. Oh, see, here we go. Here we go. I love when you're looking for neutral and then the bike revs up mysteriously by itself. That's how you start a video. What's going on, everybody? We're out for a night cruise. Up to no good. Oh yeah. How you guys all doing? Hope you're doing good. I'm doing all right. Thanks for asking, even though you didn't. But sure, why not? Just kind of out ripping around on the back roads a little bit. Thought, hey, why not? Let me go ahead and throw the camera on. So, ta-da! You know, it's funny, I don't even know how much gas I even got. I can't remember the last time I filled up. Oh, we're just gonna go ahead and flip over to this lane. Because why not? You know, I tried to get lucky there, pop it right in neutral, but oh, see, here we go. Here we go. I love when you're looking for neutral and then the bike revs up mysteriously by itself. It's so weird. It's probably because that rev match on the yeah, I'm talking at a red light. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, we're back at it. Integra coming up. Fucking sick. That's cool. Yes. I haven't seen fucking one of those on the road in God knows how long. I'll bet $10 he's got fucking boost. Surprised he didn't try and send one. Of course it's going to advance. That's because I didn't push stop on the camera. That's exactly why that happened. Well, you know what? Suck it up. You guys are waiting. I don't care. It's going to be any second. See? See? It wasn't so bad. So you didn't lose any subscribers from that. Another car creeping up behind me too. I don't know what exactly it was, but I'm trying to kind of hang back here, see what happens. Okay. Got a random ass U-turn. Oh good, another red. Awesome. Fucking nice is that. Mystery soup all over the floor there. I literally pushed stop and the light turned green. Well, that's goofy. I got a really weird vest on. Oh, God damn it. Just typical. Fucking Beamer. Maybe that was the other car trying to creep up. I actually have no idea, to be honest. See that? I didn't push stop. Look, these are actually pretty fast lights. Is this guy going to get in advance? course he is. Oh, good, another red light coming. All right. You know, I just wouldn't have it any other way. How did I start? That was the last motorcycle video. How did I start it off? You know, I was saying that, you know, I could do without the red lights, and here we are. And here we are, dealing with the goddamn red lights. I'm gonna put my foot down, it's gonna turn green. Nope. No, of course, because there's an advance. Not on my side either. Why would that happen? Fucking bullshit. You know what it is? Maybe I just don't ride fast enough. You know, it could be that, right? Could be. And that's why I keep missing all the greens. Oh, there, I rode a little faster this time and I still caught a red. Well, that light took a little longer than I thought. Easy. Just a wee little. Fucking red lights. Oh, look at that. And boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Fucker just stalled out of nowhere. That's a new one. I've never seen that before. Interesting. Well, I guess there's no point holding the fucking clutch, right? That's really weird. Well, it's back on again. Okay. That's cool. Well, you guys got to witness that. See? Live proof. Live fucking proof. See that? What happened there? Very, very odd. I'm actually a little stumped about that. Just, what the hell happened there? I think I was trying to downshift and it just, the fucking whole bike shut off. That's a new one. Okay. I know this bike does some weird stuff, but that was weird. Huh. Anybody else ever seen that happen and or had that happen to their bike? Talking to you, Mr. Hypermotard King. Wow. I used to get all my exhaust systems done at Midas. Like on my car and shit. Isn't that funny? Before, you know, I knew about stainless steel exhaust. long, long ass time ago. Weird. Anyway, guys, I'm probably gonna pull over and maybe check this bike out, see what's good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a little bit shorter, but whatever. Still a nice ride, right? Anyway, probably gonna grab a coffee too, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.